Hi, this is Jeremy with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is March 12, 2025. We're at the property address of 14 Little Street in St. Helens, Oregon. We're going to do a post-sanitary sewer inspection after rerouting and installing a new sewer. We'll be entering through this newly installed 4-inch PVC cleanout right outside the home here. Currently have some water running right now. Get down to the bottom of the two-way here, we'll zero out the foot counter and proceed forward. Here we transition to 4-inch ABS, and here we transition into 4-inch PVC 3034. And here we are over by the 6-inch main by the clean out on the other side of the road. I'm going to pause the video, shut the water off, let it drain, and then we'll pull back. Alright, we're going to start pulling back now. Alright, here we are back outside the home. Everything's in working order. This inspection was done with a rigid push cam with a 1-inch lens and no skids. This will end the video. Thank you.